Attention travelers, your favorite carry-on bag could be banned in 2025, and if you're not prepared, you might get hit with expensive fees or be forced to check your bag at the gate. Airlines are tightening their carry-on size, weight, and security rules, and you don't want to be the person holding up the boarding line. Stick around because we're breaking down everything you need to know before you pack your bag. Welcome to the channel. If you love travel and want to stay ahead of airline rules, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss an update. Now let's get into it. Let's start with the big question. Why are these changes happening? Airlines and airports are looking to streamline the boarding process and reduce delays. They've found that oversized carry-ons are a major cause of holdups, so they're cracking down on bag sizes to keep things moving. Rule number 1. New universal carry-on size limits. For the first time ever, most airlines are agreeing on a standard carry-on size, 22 by 14 by 9 inches, 56 by 36 by 23 centimeters, including handles and wheels. Sounds great, right? Except over 60% of current carry-on bags are too big. Airlines are upgrading size checking bins, and gate agents are stricter than ever. If your bag doesn't fit, you pay up or check it in. Measure your bag now, and if it's too big, consider upgrading to a compliant suitcase. Rule number 2. Strict weight limits are here. Stuffing your carry-on to the max? Not anymore. Airlines are enforcing weight limits of 8 to 10 kilograms, 17 to 22 pounds, at check-in kiosks and gates. Some even use built-in scales. If you're traveling with electronics, check your airline's media bag policy, as you may be allowed extra weight. Pro tip: wear heavy items like jackets and boots instead of stuffing them in your carry-on. Rule number 3. Stricter personal item rules. Your laptop bag, purse, or backpack must fit under the seat. No exceptions. The new max size? 18 by 14 by 8 inches, 45 by 35 by 20 centimeters. If it's too big, you might be forced to check it. Choose a smart, compact personal item and pack strategically to keep your essentials within reach. Rule number 4. Liquid restrictions are changing. Good news. The 311 liquid rule is being phased out in some airports thanks to new scanning technology. Bad news. Not every airport has updated scanners yet. Play it safe by packing travel-sized liquids in an easy-access pouch. If your airport allows full-size liquids, pack them separately so you can quickly remove them if needed. Rule number 5. Electronics must be powered. Security is getting stricter. If your laptop, tablet, or phone can't power on during a security check, you're not bringing it on board. Also, if you're packing power banks, keep them under 100 watt-hours or get airline approval for 100 to 160 watt-hours. Over that? Not allowed. Always carry a charging cable in your personal item and double-check battery watt-hours before packing. Rule number 6. Smart luggage restrictions. If you have smart luggage, make sure its battery is removable. Otherwise, it's banned from the plane. Here's the breakdown. Check GPS tracking? Okay, if not lithium-powered. USB charging ports? Fine, but battery must be removable. Electronic locks? Allowed, but must have a manual option. Before you buy new luggage, check airline rules so you don't waste money on a non-compliant bag. Rule number 7. Overhead bin space is premium now. Overhead bins are becoming hot real estate, and airlines are assigning bin space based on ticket class. Flying economy? You may struggle to find space if you board late. Pro tip: one board early to get an overhead bin spot. 2. Use a carry-on that fits under the seat to avoid bin drama. Final thoughts and call to action travelers. These 7 major airline carry-on rule changes are shaking up air travel in 2025. Have you noticed any other new rules? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your insights. Don't stop here. Check out my video on New Europe travel rules for 2025 to stay ahead of every airline and immigration change. Like, share, and subscribe so you never get caught off guard. Safe travels!